Presenting a pre-owned 1992 Ferrari 348 TS. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 3.4-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Ferrari is a great value with less than 43,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.